Good day everyone, I am Romel Ondes.
I'm Murray Rangilo.
I'm Joshua Morel.
I'm Patrick Joseph Cordero.
And now, we're going to interview a small business here in Borao. So, come and join with us. Ano yung pira nga pagyana about the name? So siya, friend ako. What is your name? Mga
Ako ngayon, Christy lang.
Pero nga pagyana. About this story do this. Bagat, pwede mo ba kung story ba? Kung paano ka mo nangyari?
Actually, gusto ko niyang reklamo ko may identity o kay business just because hindi na kami mapalitin like mga bago, shorts, tapos at the same time makakagkuha ka ako, makakag-issue.
What inspired you to start this particular?
Nakakahatag ako maupay nga kalidad kan ako negosyo ako kasi na
What are the biggest challenges you face as a business owner? And how do you address them?
ano to?
Anong mga challenges na hindi mo na-atubang at paano meron ng tulad?
Sometimes kasi may mga pains nga diri nga tanan is magupay ang sulod. And then may mga busy, may mga magugaw. So ang imo solution nila is may duli kay nga mga busy, pwede gihapon matani. And then pwede naton malabhan para maidilibag natin kasi tao maupay na nga klasihan budget.
Can you share a specific success story or milestone you business?
Nagka-body pain karan na pag-iskulay
What service or product do you offer?
product,
Yung mga product na you offer?
t-shirt, mga sweatshirt, and then pants and shorts.
How does your business work?
Work
Paano nadalagin yung
through dealing with people.
What are your primary goals and objectives for the business? Ano yung goal para hindi na business?
Maging successful. Tapos na kami din kami mga branches. Iba-iba mga
What sets your business apart from others in the industry? Ano yung kaya yung negotiate ang pag-ibay?
At akong kasi papalit na lanes is from US kay mas quality niya kaysa ang Korean.
Next, what are some important lessons you've learned since starting your business?
Kailangan focus ka nga business. Kailangan may daga pasensya ay mo business kasi sometimes hindi good talaga masasirik natin nga okay days is paprihuan sulod ha sa kami. So may dagihapon mga babe na may mga problema. So kailangan mo talaga kaya dahil pasensya, halawi ka pasensya ngayon panaling kamot paano mo iya maibalik.
How much is your maximum profit every day?
2,000 or more than.
How do you see your business evolving in the future? Paano mo nag-negosyo?
Siguro magdamo niya ha iba-iba nga lugar. Magkamay-ari ng mga branches.
Do you have the business budget? How many or months have you been in that business?
Years. Like that.
How much is your first business?
35K.
What was your experience in getting the business permit? Was it easy or difficult?
Difficult. Makori, syempre, diri ka maarang, needed man gud kasi kung mag-asikaso mo yung business permit, is needed talaga yung mga bookkeeper. So, kung ikaw lang mag-ufay, mag-process, mas makoriya. Pero at least, kung ikaw mismo ang ma-process, mahihibaro ka kung ano ay step by step ang process ang pagkuha ang business permit.
Next, how much is the total cost estimated?
Total cost of
Kung ako kanina nagasto pagkuha ng business permit.
I think 20 plus 20.
What is your business name?
Lidays Mongay Shop.
What advice would you give to someone looking to start business?
Siyahan, pag-isipan kung ano ang business, ano sukabot nga ito, is, and then, ikaduha, kailangan maarang ka mag-manage and debit and credit, kailangan kasi ito. Dapat halawin ihapon na dito pasensya, and then, go for your goal.
Thank you mo tayo. Thank you kaya pag-interview ang
Okay, thank you so much.